Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo. We've got major changes heading our way as we track our next winter storm. It's prompting an ABC 15 weather action day on Thursday, and today will be the last dry day before that storm moves in. Snow levels will be down to 3,000 feet across our state, meaning we could see snow over the mountains to our north and east, and we likely will see that. In the valley, expect a rainy, just soggy Thursday across the Phoenix area with about a half an inch to an inch of rain still possible in many spots, especially across the East Valley, where we'll likely see the highest amounts of rain. Winter storm warnings are going to be in effect starting this evening for northwest Arizona. That winter storm warning for Mojave County in effect as of 7 p.m. tonight. Notice that Flagstaff and north central Arizona under that winter storm warning as early as 8 o'clock tonight. That's when it goes into effect and remains in effect through almost lunchtime Friday. And for the eastern rim and the White Mountains, a winter storm warning there going into effect Thursday morning. So those winter weather alerts go in effect from west to east starting this evening through tomorrow morning as that storm moves in. The snow will also begin to fall in northwest Arizona first and then spread from west to east across our state, and the rain likely falling in the valley overnight. As you look at futurecasts throughout today, I think will be mostly sunny and dry in the Phoenix area. Clouds will increase though by this evening. And to our northwest, we'll likely start to see those snow showers as early as 8 to 9 o'clock here tonight. So be on the lookout for that. If you're in spots like Prescott, Kingman, or the Grand Canyon, or even up towards Bullhead City, you could start to see those snowflakes flying by this evening. Then overnight, that snow expands to the east, and the I-17 corridor will likely wake up to some areas of heavy snow, with that snow expanding further east into spots like Show Low, Payson, and Globe through the early morning. Now for the valley, the timing of the rain has shifted to a little earlier. So that means we're likely going to see rain for the Thursday morning commute. So a wet drive into work, and off and on showers are possible pretty much throughout the day tomorrow. And that snow will continue up north through the day tomorrow into tomorrow night, and then even into Friday. Still looking at that snow, especially along the eastern rim and into Show Low. And that's why those areas are likely going to see the highest amounts of snow overall. For the valley, our rain potential will continue through at least Friday morning, with a slight chance for rain Friday afternoon before we start to dry things out. This is a major winter storm and could bring us some record snowfall to northern Arizona and possibly the highest snow amounts we've seen so far this winter. We're talking a foot to 2 feet of snow in many spots along the Mogollon Rim. Again, that snow begins to fall tonight. So today is that last day to prepare before the snow. As I mentioned, the bullseye for the heaviest snow will be along the eastern rim and into the White Mountains, spots like Payson, Heber, and Show Low picking up the highest amounts. But we could see a foot to 2 feet in Flagstaff, and we could see around a foot of snow in spots like Sedona. So this snowfall will be significant across our state, but especially right along that eastern rim and White Mountains. For the valley, our rain chance is climbing up to 100%. Now, they're not going to be at 100% all day, but you can just plan on off and on showers all day long. As I mentioned, half an inch to an inch of rain is possible with this storm system, and the heaviest rain will likely be focused on the East Valley. Spots like Mesa, Apache Junction, also Fountain Hills likely getting the higher amounts of rain, so be prepared for that. Highs today will make it into the upper 50s, still well below the average high for this time of year, but that's a repeat of yesterday's high temperature, and today will be the mildest of the next few because temperatures will be dropping once that storm system moves in. Our high reaches 38 in Prescott today, 39 in Payson, and will top out below freezing at just 29 today in Flagstaff. Overnight tonight won't be as cold as it was this morning, but that's because we're going to have more clouds around. Our temperature down to 46 degrees in Phoenix, a low of 26 in Payson, and down into the teens in Flagstaff and at the Grand Canyon. Valley-wide, those lows will be dropping into the upper 30s to low 40s with rain expected by daybreak tomorrow. Temperatures will be getting colder with this storm system moving in. Thursday's high only 52, Friday only 53, and here's the deal. Those could set records, particularly on Friday. Records for the coolest high temperature ever recorded on that date. Friday's forecast is 53. The record for the coolest high temperature ever recorded recorded on that date is 54. Looks like we're going to be below that. So again, that could be a new record. We'll be watching that closely. Temperatures overall will be colder, potentially record snow up north and rain here in the valley, along with stronger winds statewide too on Thursday. But then things are changing by the weekend. We'll dry out. We'll see highs in the mid-50s Saturday, and then Sunday a high of 60 degrees with temperatures approaching 70 degrees by Tuesday of next week.